हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो मैं एथिक्स एंड इट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਐਥਿਕਸ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ, ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ, ਫਿਰ ਦੈਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ। ਦੈਨ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਨਿਊ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆ ਇਸ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦਾ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਦਾ ਹੀ, ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਦ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਆਫ ਨਰਸ, those who succeed in profession and gain the most fulfillment from it will begin their career with certain qualities. A nurse should have communication skills. Communication is the central role of nurse. The quality of communication is an important factor in meeting the health needs of the client. The use of effective therapeutic and interpersonal communication are helpful to identify the problem of individual and families. So थानू गाइस समझ लगे, इट्स अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज। सो इसमें यही कहा गया है कि जो हमारे पेशेंट होते हैं उसको एक तरह की थेराप्यूटिक एंड इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन से हमें उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को हेल्पफुल करना चाहिए, उनकी और फैमिलीज़ को प्रॉब्लम को थोड़ा बहुत हेल्पफुल कर देना चाहिए। सो देन देयर इज़ अ इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी. A nurse should be emotionally stable. Nurse is a stressful job and encounter a lot of therapeutic situations, sufferings and death. A nurse should be able to work without allowing the stress to cause great personal harm. So it's a bit simple यही है कि nurse know without stress. There is I think there is a lot of encounters and there is a lot of death. There may be there occur, and so they should emotionally more stable as a nurse. So then so it is a empathy. It is the ability to perceive and directly experiencing the feeling of others. A nurse should not treat her patient as a burden, rather should focus on understanding the feeling of patient, should focus have a empathy for pain and suffering of patient. I think you all understand this. So it's I think it's a very simple language. Then flexibility. A nurse is flexible regarding to the working hours and responsibilities. Nurses are often required to work for long period of time, late or overnight shift and weekends. Then physical, nurse has a strong physical endurance and is able to tolerate standing for long period of time and lifting heavy object. Physical solving skills. A nurse should have critical thinking skills, address problem as or before before they arise. Quick response. A nurse should be prepared and respond quickly to emergencies that arise during health care of the patient. So I think a nurse should do this. If there is an emergency, she should prepared before the emergency. So then respect. A nurse has respect for people and rules. Is a mindful of confidently requirement different cultures and traditional and respect the wishes of the patient. It means that a nurse should respect all the regions and tradition to the and also respect to the patient emotions related to the religions. So the nurse must be concerned. She should take care of the equipment and supplies. She should be able to manage the resources effectively. Then, sense of responsibility. A nurse has a greater sense of responsibility. She is responsible towards the hospital as well as the patient. Honesty and people honesty and loyalty. The quality matters in every profession. The nurse should be honest, loyal towards her profession, professional organization, and in the patient as well as boys. Then discipline and obedience. A nurse must be self disciplined and obedience. She should be well behaved, calm, and well poised, cooperative, and considerate. A nurse learns to live in harmony with patient, doctors, and other members of the health team, and tries to help them in times of need. There is a cleanness. A nurse is always clean and neat personality, and in her work, her demands must be higher standards of cleanness from those whom she is associated with her profession. Knowledge. So in every profession there is required knowledge. So a nurse must keep in touch with the latest technology of and development in the medicine treatment, and must maintain her knowledge and shall at constantly at a highest level. So thank you guys, it's all about the topic. So please like, share, and comment to my video. Please subscribe this channel, and ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਐਂਡ ਹੋਮ ਬੇਸ ਕੇਅਰ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਕੋਰਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੋ ਇਨਕਲੂਡਡ ਆ। ਅਤੇ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਫॉर BSc ਐਂਡ BSc ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਇਹ ਹੈਲਪਫੁਲ ਆ ਇਸ ਨੋਟਸ। So please subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.